Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a really fun New Year's Eve DIY. I'm making confetti balloons. These are so fun to do. Super simple. If you've never tried it, you're not gonna believe how easy this is. I'm doing a New Year's Eve version. You can see I've got 2019 here, but you could use this for any party. Confetti balloons are really trendy right now. I want to show you how simple these are to do. You can spend just like $2 at the Dollar Tree and you'll get dozens of balloons out of this. I've put this one on a stick so you can hold it, but if you had one of those helium tanks at home, they're like $15 at Walmart. You could make inflatable confetti balloons. Lots of options for this. Let's get into it. I'm going to show you how simple it is. I'm starting with this balloon. It's a translucent balloon. You want something light colored that the confetti can show through, and then I'm making a super simple funnel out of a piece of my daughter's construction paper. Put the funnel into the balloon and pour in your confetti. You just want to shake and work it in. Be a little patient with it, but this should not be difficult at all. And a little bit of confetti goes a long way. You don't need to fill it up to the brim. I filled this up about halfway. You can see here. There's a fair amount in there, but a little bit goes a long way, as I said. And I blew it up, tied a knot, and look how pretty that confetti is inside the balloon. So festive for New Year's. I took it a step further and I'm putting 2019 on the balloon. I'm just using these simple stickers that I already had. You can find stuff like this at your local dollar store, Target, Walmart, whatever. You could even put Happy New Year on here. You could put 2018 as a little nod to popping that balloon, ending 2018 for the new year. Whatever you want. The possibilities are really endless here. If you're not doing a New Year's party, you could put stickers on a balloon for a birthday party, an anniversary, a baby shower, a wedding shower. A really simple way to get a message right on your balloon. Very inexpensive, so festive. And then I'm using these little sticks. These are actually for cake pops, also from the dollar store. Just tape it right on. That's all there is to it. I love the colors I did here. I've got the gold and black. That's very New Year's Eve, but you could do any color scheme. Hot pink would be so fun for these. And the great thing about these balloons, you take them outside at midnight, pop them with a needle, and you are gonna be showered with confetti. Really fun if you're having a party. Make a bunch of these, hand them out to your guests. Really fun and festive. Let me know in the comments below what sort of party decorations you like to do for New Year's Eve. Hit that thumbs up button if you liked this video. Hit the red subscribe button to see more videos like this. I do super simple DIY projects every single week. I'll see you guys next time. Bye.